Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Eli at Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 Leeds, West Yorkshire. Well, actually, we're in North Yorkshire now since the last 10 months. But on to this absolute stunner. A Porsche 911 Carrera S. This is the Generation 2 or the 991.2 version. So it's the facelift essentially. You can tell by the lights at the front here, the daytime running lights are thinner, and various other enhancements such as the rear lights as well. They updated slightly, but this is a stunning example. 2016, as I've said, just over 30,000 miles. This particular example is only one former owner, so 2 owners total. Full Porsche service history every 2 years, as is correctly recommended by Porsche. So first one 2018, second one just earlier this year. I think it was around the summer 2020. So it's been fully maintained by Porsche, doesn't need anything. We're just going to give it a fresh MOT. It's been polished up to a mirror shine by our detailer. Looks absolutely fantastic. It's got around just over £12,000 of options as well. So it's a really nicely spec'd example. I don't normally like red on a lot of cars, but on this car it just suits it down to the ground. Really just works well. Just like I like the Cayman, the Macan GTS. I like those in red as well. They look fantastic. I think it really suits this 911. Now what I like about this one is it's bang up to date, it's modern. You've got the full privacy glass, you've got the gloss black Carrera S wheels with the red brake calipers. You got the SportDesign wing mirrors with the painted mounts. That's here. Full colour centre caps. You've got the black headlights with PDLS. Just goes with the whole sort of red and black look, doesn't it? Works really well, really bang up to date. It's got the panoramic glass sunroof. It's got the black alcantara headlining. Round the back you've got some gloss black here as well, and then you've got the Porsche Carrera S badge in gloss black, and then the exhaust tailpipes in gloss black as well. This is the sports exhaust option, hence why it has the 2 center exit tailpipes. It's in lovely condition. The last service that Porsche did that I was talking about, the chap spent, the previous owner spent just over £2,000. It was a major service including spark plugs. He also had coil packs replaced and various other bits and bobs. The whole invoice is there in the car, but everything it needed it had. They went through it with a fine tooth comb and just sorted everything out. All the tyres are excellent. They're the Pirelli, the correct Pirelli tyres. I'd say these ones are pretty much 6mm or 7mm. They're excellent. And then these ones are same, excellent. Again, the Pirelli P0 tyres with the correct NO rating. So, moving on to the inside. First of all, we've got Porsche entry and drive, which is essentially Porsche keyless option, which is here. So it's a keyless, you don't need the key to get in and out or to start it. You've got the BOSE sound system as well, which is a nice option. Obviously you've got these, which are standard. Your wing mirrors here and your windows. And of course this lovely polished aluminium effect here. And that carries on throughout the dash. It's got the leather cover to the top of the dash. The sports steering wheel with the drive mode selector and the aluminium paddle shifters here. And then over here you've got the voice control, and also that's your indicators and parking lights. And then here you've got your wipers and then your other stalk for controlling this menu here, which I'll switch on. You've got the updated PCM nav, heated seats, dual zone climate control, and then you've got the sliding glass panoramic roof with power blinds, the sports exhaust, rear spoiler lift, and then obviously your stop start, traction control off, and then Porsche active suspension management. You've got the Sport Chrono option here. I'm pleased to say all the cup holders work correctly as they should. Lovely bit of engineering there. And then in here, got the book pack. Got this lovely alcantara headlining, and then of course the essential Porsche logo embossed on the headrests. Nicely with Porsche 911s, you've got the rear seats as well, which just give you that bit of extra room and a bit of additional storage there above the engine. Let's lift that up so we can have a look. So we'll pull both buttons. So here, of course, if I can, that's just your engine, 3 litre turbo, 3 litre turbo S. At the front, we've got, bear with me, storage, Porsche top up, etc. These great sport seats with the 4-way adjust on the side. And you can see there, got additional storage there, as well as the rear seats. And you've got the additional speakers in the back with lights in them. And then on the centre armrest here, you've got your USB. Now let's give it a start up. So like I say, it's keyless. So long as the key's in my pocket, then you don't need to actually put the key in anywhere. So there's the 2 keys. Let's start it up. You've got navigation, Sport Chrono, G-force meter. You've got also speed limit display as well on this car. You can see there, we're going to the info, service intervals, so nothing's due till 2022, so it's all just been done. Okay, exactly what you want to see. And then of course with the updated navigation, you've got that nice sort of app style interface you can use, which is much improved over the previous version. I don't have a SIM in the car, so it's not going to work. Obviously heated seats, as I mentioned already, and the dual zone climate. Of course, navigation, media, so you can use various different sources including DAB, Bluetooth, etc. That's pretty much it really. Auto dimming rear view mirror should add. And that's it folks, that's our 2016 Porsche 911 Carrera S. Like I say, the facelift 420 horsepower. So we do of course offer nationwide delivery to your door. Costs from £1 a mile driven or £1.50 a mile on a trailer. We also offer warranty. Please inquire as to what term and cost is for that term with me. And of course, we offer finance packages. So if you'd like a bespoke finance package for this car, just give me a call or drop me an email or text, and I'd be happy to discuss it with you. As always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with our stock, and that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good night.